Sales promotion. Let's continue with to dive in the concepts of sales promotion. Push money. Cash payments made directly to the retailer or wholesalers, sales staff to encourage them to promote and sell a manufacturer's product. These payments are known as push money or spiffs. Trade allowance. Trade allowance, a discount or deal offered to retailer or wholesaler to encourage them to stock, promote, or display the manufacturer's products. Types of allowances offered to retailers include buying allowances, promotional or display allowances, and slotting allowances. Off invoice allowance. Off invoice allowance, which means a certain percent per case amount or percentage is deducted from the invoice. Slotting allowance. Slotting allowance, also called stocking allowances, introductory allowances, or street money, are fees retailers charge for providing a slot or position to accommodate the new product. Failure fee. Failure fee, if a new product does not hit a minimum sales level within a certain time, the fee is charged to cover the cost associated with stocking, maintaining inventories, and then pulling the product. Planogram. Planogram, which are configurations of products that occupy a shelf selection section in a store. Trade show, a forum where manufacturers can display their products to current as well as prospective buyers. Cooperative advertising. Cooperative advertising, where the cost of advertising is shared by more than one party. There are three types of cooperative advertising. Although the first two are not trade-oriented promotion, we recognize their objectives and purpose. Horizontal cooperative advertising, ingredient sponsored cooperative advertising, and vertical cooperative advertising. Horizontal cooperative advertising is sponsored in common by a group of retailers or other organizations providing products or services to the market. Ingredient, that is supported by raw materials manufacturers. Its objective is to help establish end products that include the company's material and or ingredients. Vertical cooperative advertisement, in which manufacturers pay for a portion of the advertising a retailer runs to promote the manufacturer's product and its availability in the retailer's place of business. Sales promotion trap. Another potential problem with consumer-oriented promotion is that a sales promotion trap or a spiral can result when several competitors use promotion extensively. Often, a firm begins using sales promotion to differentiate its product or service from the competition. If the promotion is successful, and leads to differential advantage, or even appears to do so, competitors may quickly copy it. When all the competitors are using sales promotion, this does not only lower profit margin for each firm, but also makes it difficult for any one firm to hop off the promotional bandwagon. Why sales promotion is increased? Because the growing power of retailers is increasing, the declining brand loyalty, increased promotional sensitivity, brand glorification, short-term focus, increased accountability, the competition, the growth of digital marketing. With this, we end up with sales promotion concept under integrated marketing communication.